Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we have today not only a brown box that you can see on the screen, but we have a actual review for the S550 Mustang. We got sent out by a company. Let me get the name correctly. Give me 1 second. And the name of this company is Off-Road American Modified. Somebody reached out to me for a sponsorship slash review, whatever you want to call these things. So he says, hi, from Road American Modified. She's a KOL manager, and they like that we are reviewing a lot of products on our Ford Mustang that we have, the S550. If we would like to review this new grill, I'll put a picture on the corner of what it looks like from their website, and also what it looks like on some cars that I've seen for display purposes to show you an example. So they wanted to have an actual unboxing video and a review video of installing it. It's supposed to be like a Mach 1 grill, but it has, on the grill, it has lights, DRL LED lights that go from being off. It's got amber and turn signals and white DRLs. And you hook them up to your car to work like turn signals and DRLs, obviously. And it says that it's easy to install. Obviously we'll do an install video. This is just an unboxing and review what it is before installing it. They do require professional installation for the LED light rings to be installed. Obviously we are certified by a bunch of brands that we offer on our business page. It's supposed to fit the EcoBoost and the V6s too, as well the GT, obviously. So let's go ahead and get into this. I believe they're supposed to be giving me a discount code. Anyways, enough babble. I know you're probably already bored and already checked that out of here, but for those that have not, I can get into this. So that's what it comes with. Let's see, it's got some modules, obviously, for the DRLs and turn signals. This plugged in, this white cable's plugged into the back of the rings. Then you got power and ground, 1 lead of power and ground, and then you got your leads of turn signals, one for each side, as you can tell. Then the box. So I'll see if I can turn them on while being off the car. There's no promises there. Let's see. Comes pretty well packaged, I'll tell you. So this is open. See if I can dig it out. Alright. It looks pretty good. It looks almost an OEM. I mean, obviously the OEM uses a different kind of plastic, but so the rings are bright white. Obviously that's because it's got a white diffuser inside, but this part is almost glass that I'm touching. That is the protective of sealing it from the elements. They are not cut out. I thought they were, but the insides are not cut out. I'm sure they could be modified to be opened up. Let's see the back. Tell whether or not you can modify them. Yeah, you have to. Yeah, you should be able to. You have to probably take them off, maybe. Yeah, you can take them off. So you have to take them off from right here. It's got 4 screws that is holding it. Then obviously the cable is already through one of the honeycombs here. And it's got the breathing patch right there. And then, like I said, you should be able to be modified to cut them out, unless they probably have another version of this. I don't know. I haven't looked and see if they have another version. I'm sure they do, but you can probably get really close right there. Yeah, you definitely will have to take these out and cut it out. More than likely from the front part. Oh, there's something inside of it. Yeah, there's something inside right there, but oh, some dirt or something got inside of it. But it'll be alright. You know how we do in this channel, we do not keep anything stuck. There's another little dot right there. Anywho, the construction looks pretty good. It's not terrible. It's really nice for the cost of it. Let me see. The cost on their website is like a little over 200. I'm assuming they had different models, so the price will vary probably on the model that you have. But the construction is really good. Doesn't feel, it barely flexes any. Overall, will I put this in my car? Yeah, after some modifications. I'm sorry, but yeah, I will be modifying it to get the airflow, because obviously that's what you want. You don't want to have anything blocking or obstructing it. So being that they're made to look like a Mach 1 grill for your S550, but it's not a Mach 1. This is a pretty good, affordable piece. And you get the add-ons of being, you know, with the lights. So you're able to get, you know, DRLs, turn signals, hazards, all that good stuff once you tap in. So pretty much plug this up to one of these sides. Same thing for the other side. Then you put your turn signals to your turn signals. You tap into it. And then you put the power. You could potentially put the same power as your headlight DRLs, so they'll come on with that. That's pretty much it. Check back and we'll have this on the S550 Mustang soon. We're supposed to have a very bad snowstorm coming through after this video is uploaded. I'm sure I'll have this uploaded while the storm is happening, so I gotta wait before I can install it, because my garage the floor is still not finished, and it's not doesn't have heat. So once again, guys, here they are sitting on DRLs. They have like a cool white LED, not too much blue in them. Pretty much what you will want on the new LEDs running whites. It looks almost like a stock LED white DRL that factory is running now. As you can see, they are pretty cool looking. And again, let's wrap this up. With all that said, appreciate you all coming through and watching this quick review. Let me know what you think of this Mach 1 look like grill. Like I said, it was sent to me. I did not pay for anything. Like I said, I like it very well constructed. I do like it. In my opinion, I would put this on for the price. If you compare the price between the OEM grill from Mach 1 that doesn't have the lights, I'm gonna pay more than $200, obviously. Anywho, if you are interested in this, I'll put the link below for the website and from the people that I got this from. And also, we'll have a discount code for you